All right, we're back with another video, fam. His kitsch fam. Just kidding. Hey guys, it's Richie. Today I'm going to show you how to make my black beans. Or how I like to make black beans. The prep work is going to take you about 5 minutes and the cook time will be about 10 minutes as I am using store-bought black beans from a can. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 can of black beans, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1/2 of an onion, finely chopped, 1 clove of garlic crushed and chopped, 1 splash of apple cider vinegar, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 crushed clove, which is optional, 1/2 of teaspoon of ground paprika, and 1/2 a teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/2 cup of water. Okay, we're going to start things off by heating the oil and slightly browning the onion and garlic. Then I add in the spices along with the salt and pepper. Make sure that you're very careful with the clove. Don't use it if you're not very confident with it, but I like to add just like 1 crushed clove into my refried beans. The reason why is because I feel like it adds a little bit of extra like flavor into my beans. Then I add in a splash of apple cider vinegar. I use this to brighten up the flavor of my beans. And what constitutes as a splash, you ask? Well, I'd say about a tablespoon's worth. Then I add in a 1/2 cup of water. I've also added paprika into my beans, which gives them a reddish hue. However, if you don't want this reddish hue, you can skip out on the paprika. Once that has all been nicely integrated, I take a kitchen masher and go to work. I am smashing the beans until they are the desired consistency. I prefer it to be closer to a paste. And there you go, this recipe is super easy. It works perfectly if you want to serve it up as a side for Mexican night or if you just want to have black beans in a tortilla. The reason why I use canned beans is just because it's a lot easier, and you can use regular beans, but you just have to make sure that you soak them overnight, or at least for 6 to 8 hours. You might get away with 4, so that's why I like to use boxed/canned beans. Using canned beans is sacrilegious in some households, but you know, you're just gonna have to forgive me on this one. Alright, anyways, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and I will see you next time. This is History Kitchen. Well, I guess this isn't really the history part, but yeah, this is more the kitchen side of things. So yeah, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.